One UI 7 on the Samsung Galaxy A55 showcases Samsung's commitment to delivering a robust and user-friendly interface, even on mid-range devices. Built on Android 14, One UI 7 introduces a host of performance and customization enhancements, making the Galaxy A55 feel smoother and more responsive than ever. The interface features refined animations, improved multitasking capabilities, and enhanced battery optimization to complement the device's efficient chipset. Samsung has also emphasized personalization with expanded lock screen options, updated widgets, and more intuitive gesture controls. Security and privacy are strengthened with streamlined settings and advanced app permissions, ensuring users have better control over their data. Despite being a mid-tier phone, the Galaxy A55 benefits from the same thoughtful software updates and seamless ecosystem integration seen in higher-end Galaxy models. This makes One UI 7 not just functional but a standout interface, elevating the A55's overall experience and ensuring it remains competitive in its class.